What's up, Secking? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be giving you 5 reasons on why the ZTE Blade Max View is better than the LG Stylo 4. Stay tuned. Okay guys, the first reason definitely has to be the speakers on this device. This is probably the best budget phone speakers I have ever heard in my entire life. So we do have a very nice setup on this device. We actually have stereo speakers, so when the headset is not in use, that is going to be used as a speaker, as well as our bottom speaker right here. So this is a very loud speaker. If you've seen my unboxing on this phone, you guys already know, but it is a very loud speaker. Just to give you guys a little bit of context, I am going to play some music, but you really can't tell unless you're listening to it in real life. Second reason why this phone is better than the LG Stylo 4 definitely has to be that there is not just Wi-Fi calling for Metro by T-Mobile and T-Mobile, but this is Verizon Certified and it is universally unlocked as well. So this is going to work on all 4 major carriers. So say your phone is not working too great, you want to switch carriers, you can go ahead and pop your SIM in and go ahead and activate it and it should work fine. Third thing I definitely have to talk about, especially in this day and age in 2018, almost 2019, is that this device has 3 GB of RAM. So we have 3 GB of random access memory inside this device. So it makes it easy to have a ton of different windows and applications open at the same time, because I know some of my viewers have a ton of different applications open and they like multitasking. So this is going to be really good for that. So seeing that ZTE put 3 GB of RAM in a $199 device shows that they very much care about their budget devices. And segueing pretty much into the third reason why I think it's better is because if you guys are not getting a port-in deal on the LG Stylo 4, it's going to be about $270 or $250. It's going to be about $270 after tax, to be quite honest. And this one you can actually pick up in the link in the description down below, or the first comment down below. It's going to be pinned. You guys can pick it up from ZTEUSA.com for only $199. Guys, this is going to be $199. Pretty insane stuff right there. You also gonna get free shipping on this device. Fourth reason is probably the biggest reason, honestly, for me, that it's better than the Stylo 4 is it is made out of premium materials. So you are going to get an aluminum chassis around this whole phone. You're going to get rubber as well, and you're going to get that metal lining and everything else on this. You're gonna have Corning Gorilla Glass on this device as well, so it should stop some drops and stuff like that. But very premium feel on this device. We also have that 18:9 aspect ratio, 6-inch screen on this, so it's a really nice screen as well. So in my opinion, I would have to say the screen as well is a lot better than the Stylo 4's. Yes, we do have a nice looking screen on the Stylo 4, but this TFT panel has to be one of the best I've seen on a budget phone. Has amazing angles, has very deep blacks and very nice colors and saturation on this device. I like this screen, in my opinion, better than the LG Stylo 4. And finally, the last reason I think this is better than the LG Stylo 4 is because of the camera. Now, we get some insane shots on this camera, and not just with the regular photo mode, but with the video mode. I actually was filming during daytime, and the microphone was very good on this device. The video was also very nice. The front-facing camera, in my opinion, was very shocking to see how good it was. I'm going to put some samples of photos on the screen for you guys right now so you guys can go ahead and take a look at it. But this is one of the best cameras I have seen on a budget phone in a very long time. Now, just as an added bonus for everybody who stayed till the end, if you guys are here, put, I don't know, ZTE gang in the comments down below if you guys are here still right now, because I want to tell you something about this device. This has been one of the best battery experiences I have seen on a device in a very, very long time. Now, the thing about this device is it has a 4,000 milliamp battery. And the thing about this, if you are a power user and you somehow drain a bunch of battery, maybe playing video games or watching a ton of media or whatever, you can actually charge this with Quick Charge 2.0. So yes, it says Quick Charge 2.0 on it, and that is via Type-C. So we do have Type-C at the bottom right here, but just a very, very solid phone all around. One of the nicest budget phones I've seen in my life. Very, very nice phone right here. But yeah, if you guys are going to get this phone or do have it, tell me what you guys like about this phone in the comments down below. Obviously, this isn't like trying to like kind of crap on the Stylo 4, because I still think the Stylo 4 is a very, very awesome carrier device. But just having a device that's universally unlocked, I think is honestly just a plus straight away right there. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.